What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. My name's Trevor. This is Adi, Cohen, and Riley. And today we have Avi back there on the trailer. And we're headed to an Old Farts Cruise Main in McPherson, Kansas. We're going out there thanks to my guy. If you don't follow him on Instagram, go ahead and give him a follow. This guy's been driving his Geo Metro to Cars and Coffee. Hey, hold on a second. And so we're gonna go take Avi and Dora, and we're gonna go cruise in McPherson with them. But first, we gotta go get some dinner, and we're gonna go through a drive-thru. Let's see how well this goes. Stay tuned. Guys, we're in the McDonald's drive-thru with Avi, and we're gonna clear that, don't worry. She's not 9 feet tall. I'm just wondering, how many people are like, what is this guy thinking? Well, you know what we're thinking? We're thinking we're hungry and we're gonna hit the road. That's what we're thinking. So we're nice enough to at least take the outside lane, not the inside. Yep, let's get it. Woo, that's Lolo. I bet.
Like that?
I wonder if that's the kit car.
Yeah, I don't know. We were talking about that. I don't know if it's kind of because if it's a real one, I don't think you'd be driving.
You got some nice Vette. And here's the Countach. Well, let's find out if this is a real Countach. Let's ask him. Don't touch it. Stay back. Don't touch it. Come on. Don't touch it. Don't touch. Don't touch. Because we said no. Don't touch. She's got a sub right there in the middle. We got Dora out here. We got Avi out here with the EE flag. And we got our favorite car. It's louder now, it has no exhaust. I mean, a little exhaust. Alright, so here's our nighttime view of these lights. I didn't quite expect this. I've only got the front wired up right now. But that's actually pretty epic. And that is blinding. So soon I'll have these back ones working too, and it'll be even more light. But that is killer. That'll light it up a lot. Our Countach.